Alright, so look at here. Charging handle. Full carry group. I always assumed that the charging handle pulled on the gas key. But no, there's a cutout of the bolt. Right there. That the charging handle should grab onto. And it's fine as long as it rides like that. But when it's in the weapon, you tend to press down as you're pulling back. So when you push down, guess what? You saw it right there, right? See? You get that seesaw action on the gas key. And that is the shavings that we're finding in there. See that there? It ain't coming off the steel. I know that for a fact. That's a hard ass steel face right there. It's more likely flake off this aluminum. It's even got itself bumped up right there, see that? Yeah, so just go ahead and spend the extra money, man. Don't get the fucking, I don't know, whatever it costs, whatever you're buying at, but it's like $12, $13 fucking charging handle. Don't do it, homeboy. Double the price and get you a fucking $30 charging handle. Or else you're gonna end up with fucking glitter inside of your upper receiver like I do. I gotta take this shit to the fucking parts washer at work and wash it up, son of a